In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually receive a payment in Bill.com. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, you want to go on the left and you want to scroll down and you want to click on Payments In. Now, from here, you can go and click on Charge a Customer, top right. And of course, you want to select your customer. And then from here, you could do either Charge Customer or Record Manual Payment. So to manually receive a payment, I'm going to click on Record Manual Payment. And then you have to put in your amount. So as you can see down here, there's going to be, of course, the connected invoices. So I'm going to do amount 55 over here, deposit to, I'm just going to select something over here. Of course, you can select whichever one you want, of course, the one that's relevant. For me, I'm just going to do something random over here for this example. And then here you can do payment date and then payment type as well. I'm going to do, for example, cash. You can put on a reference number and a memo as well. Then down here, select the invoice and click on submit at the bottom right. Now, when you do this, as you can see here, there we go. This is your payment confirmation. You can click on the done button and there we go. You've successfully received a payment in Bill.com. And of course, if you want to do a new one, you can click on Charge a Customer again. You can select your customers and then over here, you'll be able to do it from here as well yet again, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.